There's been a bit of a theme on the channel recently looking at affordable IEM products. This video is looking at the Phenyx Pro PTM22. This particular package comes with a rack-mountable transmitter made of metal and 4 belt packs made of plastic with a metal belt clip and earbuds. It operates in the UHF frequency band. The antennas connect in the rear, but the unit comes with rack ears and wiring so that you can move the antennas to the front if you're using it in a rack. Let's explain how the PTM22 works. The belt packs are mono and the transmitter is mono. You'll get signal in both ears, but it's still a mono signal. While the transmitter will accept a stereo or 2-channel input, it will transmit that as mono. The unit we're looking at here is essentially 2 separate transmitters, so that can do 2 separate mono mixes. This has TRS inputs. There's a pad switch, but with normal gain structure, you should not have to use that. For a normal mono send from the mixer, you can disconnect to either one of the 2 inputs. And that is true for both mixes. For most consoles, you're going to have an XLR balanced output for your monitor sends. Use a female XLR to male tip ring sleeve cable like this to connect to the IEM transmitter. I tried this with a variety of earbuds, including the ones that ship with the unit. And if you plan to use this for live band IEMs, I'd recommend upgrading the earbuds. While it's nice they include some earbuds, the belt packs really shine with upgraded earpieces. If you're using these with some kind of broadcast work, then the included earbuds will probably get you by. But for critical listening and high-level environments, like live stages, any of the upgraded earbuds I tried made a world of difference. That's really true with any IEMs. You need earpieces that can sound good, handle a full range signal with good level, and that makes a good seal in your ears. That doesn't mean you have to spend a lot, but that does mean you need to do your homework. You set the transmitting frequency here. And then use the sync feature to let the transmitter talk to the belt pack to set the belt pack to match. If you get interference, simply find a new channel or new group and channel and resync. Phenyx Pro claims a working distance of 160 feet. I use these with at least 75 feet of distance with no reception issues at all, and the fidelity was good. As long as you use these with proper gain staging in the console, these have plenty of adjustment and headroom, at least with the upgraded earpieces. This package has 2 belt packs for frequency group 1 and 2 belt packs for frequency group 2. That means you can have 2 total mixes and 2 people sharing those mixes with this setup. You can add additional belt packs on the same frequency group to share additional mixes. Or you can add additional transmitters and belt packs on different channels to add more mixes. Phenyx Pro is known for their affordable RF systems. Overall, this is a solid entry-level IEM system. Just remember to upgrade the earpieces for live band uses. I'll leave links to these below and a coupon code. Let me know if you've used these, and please share your experiences with them below. Also, let me know what earpieces you're using. Here are some other videos to check out, and I will see you next time.